Good morning, student. Today, uh, today we will learn about the L'Hopital rule. We will solve some important example of L'Hopital rule. We have learned about the L'Hopital rule in our previous lecture. Now, this is example number second because we are solved example number first. We have solved example number first in our previous lecture. This is the limit x tends to pi upon 4 1 minus 10x upon cos 2x. Okay, when we applying this limit in this function in numerator, then it is equal to in numerator 1 minus 10 pi upon 4 upon cos 2 pi upon 4. It is equal to 1 minus 10 45 is 1, then it is 1, and 1 minus 2 cos pi upon 2 is 1, cos 90 degree equal to 0, then it is equal to 0, 0.0. It's mean the form of this function is 0, 0.0, and this is indeterminate form. Okay, this is the indeterminate form. So we can apply L'Hopital rule for solving this function. According to L'Hopital rule, the differentiation of numerator and differentiation of denominator, and the differentiation of denominator does not equal to 0 at the point x equal to pi upon 4. Then it is equal to limit x tends to pi upon 4. Differentiation of numerator is differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of 10 is sec square x. Differentiation of cos 2x is minus sine 2x, and differentiation of 2x is 2. Okay, and it is equal to we can cancel minus by minus, then limit x tends to pi upon 4, and in numerator we have sec square x, and denominator sec square x and 2 sine 2x. Now again we can put pi upon 4 in this function. Then if we are applying pi upon 4, then sec square pi upon 4 upon 2 sine 2 pi upon 4. Okay, it is equal to sec square pi upon 4 upon sine 2 sine pi upon 4. Sec square pi upon 4 equal to because the cos 45 is root 2 and sec is the reciprocal of cos, then it is cos 45 equal to 1 upon root 2, then sec 45 is root 2, then it is equal to root 2 square upon 2 into, and this is pi upon 2, this is pi upon 2, sine pi upon 2 equal to 1, then it is equal to 2 upon 2 equal to 1. It's mean the limit of this function, tends to 1, and the limit of the function is 1. This is the example number 2. This is example number 3rd. In this example, when we applying x tends to 0, okay, when we applying x tends to 0, then the form converted e to the power 0 plus e to the power minus 0 plus 2 cos 0 minus 4 upon 0 to the power 3. It means it is equal to e to the power 0 is 1, e to the power minus 0 is 1, cos 0 is 2, 1, and this is 2 minus 4 upon 0. Then numerator is 0 and denominator is 0. This is the indeterminate form when we applying x tends to 0. It means we can apply the L'Hopital rule for solving this question. Then it is equal to limit x tends to 0, differentiation of the numerator and differentiation of denominator. Differentiation of numerator is differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. Differentiation of this is minus e to the power this. Differentiation of this is minus 2 sine x, and differentiation of this is 0, and denominator is 3x square. Differentiation of denominator. Okay. Again, we are applying the limit x tends to 0. Then the form is e to the power 0 minus e to the power minus 0 minus 2 sine 0 upon 3 into 0. It is equal to e to the power 0 is 1, this is minus 1, sine 0 is 0, then upon 0, then it is equal to 0 upon 0. Again the form is 0 upon 0. Again we can again apply the L'Hopital rule for this new function. Then it is equal to limit x tends to 0. Differentiation of numerator is e to the power x. Okay, differentiation of this is minus e to the power minus x, and this sign is minus plus e to the power minus x. Differentiation of this is minus 2 cos x. Okay, and in denominator we have 3 into 2 6x. Okay, again for again we are applying the x tends to 0 in this function. Then the limit is e to the power 0, e to the power minus 0, and minus 2 into cos 0 upon 0. In numerator we have 1 plus 1 minus 2 upon 0. Again it is 0 upon 0. Again we have the indeterminate form 0 upon 0. So we can again use L'Hopital rule. Limit x tends to 0, it is e to the power x minus e to the power minus x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, then it is equal to minus plus 2 sin x, and denominator is 6. Now if you want to apply the L'Hopital rule for this function, and for first we verify that on the form of this function, then it is equal to e to the power 0, e to the power minus 0 plus 2 sine 0 upon 6. In numerator we have 1, we have this value is 1, this is also 1, this is 0. In numerator we have 2, and in denominator 6. Now this is not a indeterminate form, and the limit of this function is x tends to 0. X tends to 0, this is minus sign. X tends to 0, e to the power 0 is 1, e to the power minus 0 is 1, and sine 0 is 0 upon 6. Now it is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 6, it is equal to 0 upon 6, 0 upon 6 equal to 0. The limit of this function is 0, this function tends to 0. Okay, this is the example of L'Hopital rule. Thank you.